ভালো লেগেছে? অ্যাকচুয়ালি একটা লাইব্রেরি দরকার ইডেন কোর্টে, সত্যি কথাই। ওকে, সবাই বই কন্ট্রিবিউট করলে আপনি আপ লাইব্রেরি হয়ে যাবে। যাই হোক, so let's invite the cast and crew. Please, can we have the cast and crew on stage, please? So this was an effort from our side to present the Residence drama for all of you. I hope we have been able to live up to your expectations. So who was your favorite character? Gablu. Gablu. Okay, dancers. Okay, dancers were the favorite characters. Okay. Oh, Tansen. Tansen, एक बार थोड़ा आ हो जाए, please. वैष्णवी विशाखा दासी. Okay, I hope you guys can recognize. Huh? Okay, perfect. So I would hand it over to Indurup. Indurup and Shamrat has been working day in and day out completely, you know, for putting up this show. And we are glad that we could present the show to all of you, and you guys are all happy. But over to you, Indurup. You share your experiences, how bad we were during the rehearsals, and how frustrated you were during the rehearsals. Go ahead.
Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience. অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ আপনাদের সবাইকে আমাকে এই অপরচুনিটিটা দেওয়ার জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। অ্যাজ আই হ্যাভ অলরেডি টোল্ড ইউ অন পঞ্চমী, দিস ইজ মাই ফার্স্ট ইয়ার ইন ইডেন কোর্ট, and I am overwhelmed with not only these fabulous people but all you lovely people sitting there. So I have got a few people to thank, so I wanted to just go ahead with that. I have not directed it all by myself, to be honest. I have to give the entire credit to Samrat as well. Samrat, can you please come in front? My beloved Kaka. So he has, like, you know, stood by me thick and thin throughout, and he was the one who literally forced me to do this, and I was trying my Gablu's different way out of, like, you know, escaping, but he didn't let me escape. That's the point. So thank you, Shamrat da, thank you so much. And he, I think all of you all know that he's a very, he has a lot of patience, and to deal with such different personalities is a big thing in itself. So thank you so much. And I would also like to thank Ramadi, Ms. Rama Bishas, for introducing me to all these wonderful people. Thank you, Ramadi. I would like to thank Shoikot, definitely, like, you know, who was there constantly. And no, Indrurup, you have to do it, because after the first week when I was told that I am supposed to be directing it, I was like, no way, please, I've got office, this, that, but these people didn't let me go. So thank you to all you lovely, lovely people for sticking by me, and thanks a lot. And now, before I go into introducing all my lovely cast members, I wanted to thank all the lovely, lovely family members of all these cast members. I am sorry, I mean, জোর হাত করে সবার কাছে ক্ষমা চাইছি। আমি তোমাদের সবাইকে অনেক ইরিটেট করেছি রাত 1টা-2টো অবধি। I have made them rehearsed, and I jeopardized your sleep, I know that. So I'm very sorry for that, but weren't these guys fabulous? Tell me. They are all born actors, all lovely. So obviously my beloved Kaka, whom I have introduced, Shamrat da, and I'll be passing over the mic. Shovik as Tansen. A big round of applause, please. Miss Lyric as Ayla. Maya as the lovely Sheila. Paulovidi as Bishakha Dasi. Mr. Ajit Kumar as Shah Jahan. The lovely, lovely Akash as Mr. Gupta. The wonderful Mr. Vikas Sharda as Vaishnav Krishnadas Das. Fabulous Bishwarup as Kanai. And obviously the wonderful Saika Chatterjee again as my friend Nantu. I think we just played characters. I would also want to thank a few other people. Can I please have Mr. Kapani on stage, please? Mr. Bhushan Kapani was the narrator. So thank you so much, Mr. Kapani, for being a part of this team. I would also like to thank a few wonderful ladies. I would also like to thank some wonderful ladies who joined and they were overexcited because they got the opportunity to hit Samrat. So Virita and Sampita, thank you so much. I think there were other contenders too. Were there other people on stage? I didn't notice that. I think there were 2 other people as well. Let me keep that a secret. So over to these wonderful people. Thank you so much. Thank you to the music team, Mr. and the lights team, Mr. Shomnath Kundu and everyone. The makeup and costume, the set guys, each and every one of you. And thank you, wonderful audience, for bearing with us. Please hold on and please let me see what the cast members have to say. Over to Shamrata.
Thank you, everybody. So, a few of the people যারা ইডেন কোর্টে বেশ অনেক বছর আছেন তারা জানেন যে অষ্টমীর দিনটা অলওয়েজ ওয়াজ আ বিট অফ স্পেশালিটি বিকজ আমরা চেষ্টা করেছি একটা নাটক করার এবং আমরা 3 বছর নাটক করেছি এর আগে 15, 16 এবং 17। তারপরে কোভিডের জন্য হচ্ছিল না, কিন্তু সেই সময় যখনই করেছি সেই 3 বছর আমরা একটা জিনিস মাথায় রেখেছি যে যেহেতু এই আমাদের সোসাইটিতে নানা ভাষার লোক থাকে, খালি বাংলা ভাষার নাটক করাটার থেকে অনেক বেটার রিচ আউট হবে যদি আমরা নাটকটার মধ্যে নানা ধরনের ভাষা, নানা ধরনের আই উড সে কালচারাল অ্যাসপেক্টস অ্যাজ ওয়েল নিয়ে আসতে পারি, যেটা খালি বাঙালি কেন্দ্রিক না। এবং আমরা স্ক্রিপ্টটাও তাই জন্য নিজে হাতে লিখতাম। এই বছর আমরা নানা ধরনের কাজে ব্যস্ত ছিলাম এবং তাই জন্য আমরা খুব হেজিটেন্ট ছিলাম যে এবার নাটক করব কিনা। এবং সত্যি কথা বলতে গিয়ে আমার একেবারেই সময় হচ্ছিল না। ইন্দ্ররূপ যদি না থাকতো তাহলে এবারে নাটক হয়তো হতো না, কারণ আমার পক্ষে মানে পুরো ব্যাপারটা একা করার একেবারেই সময় ছিল না। তো সাপোজেডলি হঠাৎ আমাদের খুঁটি পুজোর দিন ভদ্রলোকের সঙ্গে আলাপ, তো সেদিনকেই বুঝিনি যে ভদ্রলোক একদম ছাই চাপা আগুন। just to let you know, he has even performed in Broadway in UK, so you can understand the immense talent that he has. Okay, so we are really privileged to have people like them with us who can basically show us the path and possibly the correction in our directions that we have been going through. Nothing more to say. Thanks everybody and giving us all the tensions, especially few of you who always used to kind of make me feel that gallo, and then make me feel elated about the fact that yes, again next time we'll be able to make it a success. Okay, thank you so much. I'll pass it on to our incredible carpenter.
First of all, thank you everyone for being a lovely audience out here, and this being my first on stage, and it has been a great experience. And the best part of this experience was that in spite of being on the stage or in the banquet hall, we were always trying to make the best of the opportunities, whether it's 11 o'clock in the night or at 7 o'clock in the evening. It was always about everybody coming together and putting it across as the best way. And as I said, this was my first out here, so it was a great experience for me, and of course each and everyone is absolutely a class of their own. So thank you everyone for being absolutely sporting spirit out here for this particular nut. Thank you.
मैं क्या बोलूं? हरे कृष्ण, थैंक यू। हाँ, thank you.
I guess we enjoyed all the rehearsals, though I was not part of too many, but whatever. We enjoyed all the rehearsals and I hope you enjoyed the drama.
Hi everybody. The same story here, hardly a part of any rehearsals because of lack of time, but we enjoyed the process more than the end result, I guess, and we'll miss that. It was so much fun being in this group and working with them. So thank you so much, and Indru, hats off to you for your patience with us.
Yeah,
always.
I also want to.
Thank you so much.
I would pass the thanks on Samrat as well.
Samrat, and we used to blame all our faults on Samrat. Because of him, we are not doing it. So, yeah, thank you so much, all of you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody. It was an overwhelming experience being a part of this play. And thanks to Indraroop because or hat dhore amar hate khori. I always wished to be a performer like this, but I never had an opportunity. He gave me that platform, and so many thanks to Indraroop. So thank you very much.
हम लोगों को बर्दाश्त करने के लिए धन्यवाद। भगवान आप लोगों में इतना ही पैसेंस बनाए रखें।
Hello, thank you for the lovely audience. This is my first on-stage performance, and thanks to Samrat, you know very well him. He called me up and gave me this opportunity to play this drama, and thank you to Indraroop. He made me actually to play this drama like this. So I'm really thankful to you, and thank you everyone, and I enjoyed a lot.
তা কেমন লাগলো? ভালো লাগতাছে? কতটা ভালো লাগতাছে? আর আমাদের ডিরেক্টর সাহেবকে কেমন লাগতাছে? ভালো? যাক, আমারও এটা ইডেন কোর্টে প্রথম বছর, তো এরকম ডিরেক্টর থাকলে যে কেউ অ্যাক্টর হতে পারবে, এটুকুই আমি বলতে পারবো।
Thank you so much. I think I have said enough. The last point that I just wanted to add is that we tried to bring in a varied group this time, and a lot of people were unknowns to each other when we started off with the process of rehearsing. But by the end of today, I can firmly say that all have worked as a team and all have developed bonhomie. I just saw today Shahjahan Saab and Kanai Saab hanging out and going for a walk and something. So these are the most important things to me, at least saying that such efforts are intended to bring people together. I hope that we have been able to do that, and let's continue with the effort. Thanks to Eden Court because there has been a astoundingly overwhelming response to this particular puja. And the credit goes to all of you, all the kids of Eden Court. They have been performing every evening. They have been rehearsing day in, day out. They had exams like Amrita mentioned yesterday. So overall a great show, I hope. I hope to continue with the momentum tomorrow and day after. And also we'll hope that there is a more inclusive society going forward and everybody is participating in that. Thank you so much. Over to you.
I'm very sorry, I just wanted to add another name which was very crucial for marketing and the poster designing and the social marketing that was there. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jay Karta! Come on! Basically, he was there for the first 2-3 weeks as one of the actor, and we literally pulled him to play one of the roles. And ultimately, he just sneaked out, but we never let him go. He's just too sweet and too nice. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. And Mr. Kapani, a few words, please.
There is a secret I would like to unreveal. I was not the narrator in the beginning when I participated in this drama. I was supposed to be a chess player. The whole scene got eliminated because of some restrictions I had. Time constraints, of course. But again, I was given the opportunity to introduce the show. And I thank Eden Court for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, our director, Mr. Indraroop. All the best, and we want to see this more and more and down the line. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, before I pass on the mic last time to Indraroop, couple of things I would like to say. Number one is that we have tried to bring in, through fun elements though, certain satires which covers around certain social aspects of Eden Court. Eden Court-এর আমাদের রোজকার কিছু আমি বলবো সমস্যা, যেগুলো কিছু জেনুইন, কিছু গুড টু হ্যাভ, সেগুলো আমরা তুলে ধরার চেষ্টা করেছি. Our intention is not to kind of poke our intention is not to basically blame anyone. Our intention is clearly to possibly come up with certain social causes that we are aware of, এবং তার হয়তো কিছু সলিউশন যদি আমরা ভবিষ্যতে পেতে পারি, that is our motto, number one. Second, today we have Lyric with us, and it's Lyric's birthday. So in front of all, I would like to say happy birthday, Lyric.
অন্য টপিকে চলে গেছিলাম। Anyway, one thing I just missed out. It would be an injustice if I don't mention Samrat and Sekat's name, because I must thank these two guys for introducing me to Indraroop. Because a big thank, and that's why a big thanks to Shoikat and Samrat from my end. Thank you, Sekat. Thank you.
So the crux of the story, as you've understood, first time for me in Eden Court, and not only have I got this 13 beautiful friends who are like family now, I've got all you guys as my family now. So 3 cheers for Eden Court. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much. Good night, guys.